Today I will show you how you can change the header color in 2021 WordPress theme. Now to change the header color, first go to admin. Here go to appearance, then go to customize. Now in the customizer, go to additional CSS. Here enter the CSS code given in the description of the video. You can change the background color to anything that you want, like red, green, white, whatever. Just copy the CSS code from the description and paste it in the additional CSS box. After that, change the color of the CSS code. Now click on the publish button to save the changes. Refresh your website. There you go. That's how you can change the header color in 2021 WordPress theme. Now if you want to change the text color also of the header, then there's another CSS code that is also given in the description of the video. If you need any more help, then comment down below.